Planetario.
It needs a 5-gear planetary.
5-gear planetary.
Came from the bottom, now the fans will spot him. Talk of the topic, can't even stop it. A lot of you copy.
Where we going, big dog?
To the track, Dallas, Texas. To no prep event, right?
Field trip.
Field trip.
Field trip.
Hey, so what happened to the goddamn transmission, man?
Ya se la saben los planetarios.
So now what? You fixed the trans?
My boy Steve got down and opened up the trans, dug into it, came and realized it was a planetaries. Yeah, it had a 4-gear planetary and he upgraded it to a 5-gear planetary, rebuilt the whole trans, and Grimace is ready. Grimace is ready, getting it ready, spark plugs, oil, Texas Motorplex, back half of the track, no prep event.
Friday,
today.
So Friday the 13th. That's not, man. Why did I even look at that? Friday the 13th. When did we drop the video? Wednesday.
Yeah.
Wednesday. 2 days later. We weren't really planning, but we were. But it was kind of up in the air, and the transmission broke on Grimace. But we got it fixed. It shifts on the street. I don't know if it shifts at full throttle, but it should be fine. So we're gonna test it here. And the reason why we came to is because this is a no prep back of the track event, which at Cletus event here in about 3 weeks, it's a back of the track event as well. So we have no data for this truck for no prep. We only have good data for the track, and that last fast pass that I thought was gonna go fast. I mean, it was going fast, but it broke a planetary, and he called it. Elian called it, and it was actually, he was playing around, and it actually was a planetary. But we fixed that. Refresh the trans while we're there, and now we're doing some no prep testing. So hopefully we don't go out first round, because if we do, then our testing and our data is for nothing. There's no data. We need to hopefully go a couple rounds at least for the data. It's either that or go test on the street. I'd rather come to the track just because we could go to the street, but I don't know, it don't last too long before cops get called or pull up, or I don't know. And then I thought today was gonna be fresh. It's 90 degrees almost, and it's 9 o'clock. Manuel's here, midnight. He brought Gringo, and he brought a twin turbo Shelby F-150, which is gonna put in daily class. I don't even know what class we're getting into. We just came. I think a small tire, I believe. We did have W tires at the track. We put DO5 tires. Hoosier DO5s. They're not Ws. They're just 28, 10, 5, 15s. Actually, it might be 10s, but those tires are really good for no prep. So we put those back on, changed oil, plugs, and I think they're probably calling the drivers already, which
the driver's
still driving here. The drivers are still driving here.
Let me see that goddamn place.
That whole big.
Hey, put it next to your head.
Hey, 10 bucks.
Put it next to your head. God damn.
10 bucks. 10 bucks.
Hey, let me see this. God damn.
Y'all remember that video?
Get out of the way.
Get out the way. Get out the way. Get out the way. Do you remember that video?
Yeah, I remember. I filmed it, goddamn it.
Son de carburador de 4 gargantas y cabeza libre, mira.
Hey, come on with.
So we joined actually 2 classes. I got small tire and run with your brung, just because I don't know what we were doing. Supposedly it's a very slow surface. It's actually very bad. Just by looking at it. Everybody says it's that bad. Everybody goes slow. Everybody supposedly you have to go like 6-0s to win, but I don't know. I call bullshit, but I guess we'll see. So I'm gonna soften up the ramp a lot, turn down the 2-step, and then that's why I got in 2 classes in case I fell in one, because this truck has no data for any street or any no prep. There's different no prep. Like this is a very bad no prep, and then there's front of the track, no perp. And then there's good street, no perp. So. This one's bad. I think we went from a good track to the worst.
You know who you drew first round?
Oh, no, they draw for us.
Oh.
So I guess we're just going to line up and they're going to tell us up there, yeah. God knows. Manoa called out Randy first round on the
Shake, hopefully it's a fast shakedown pass on this surface.
Just so there's no testing, so God knows what's going to happen. Yeah. Let's do... Shit, I don't even know.
The one Manuel's always giving hell. Yeah. Yeah, it'll run. It runs good on concrete. He ain't gonna be
Four-wheel drive Chevy?
No, two.
Four-wheel drive Chevy?
Yeah.
Silverado?
Yeah. Ask him. I'm pretty sure it's two-wheel drive, yeah.
He's a dud.
I just sold my tune-up into...
Good luck, brother.
Let's go, big boo.
Andamos en Crosby.
¿Dónde vale?
Oh, Manuel va para allá.
Para allá va para Manuel.
¿Les traíamos nitro?
Así es. Pero el nitro no es para el motor ese, sino para mí. I got no clue, but I know on the small tire, I'm at the last round. I got some random dude, I don't know his name. But and then small tire, then after that we got run with your brawn. So man, fucking crazy ass. Look at all the weights. But we'll see though. But it'll be interesting.
What are you racing, brother?
Randall.
see which one it was. I tell you what, that lane got rubber for days now.
good?
How do you feel though? Feel quick?
Oh, it felt good. Top end.
Yeah. That's good.
I could almost see the smoke from the front tire, like on my window. And I look back, I see that dude way back.
Yeah, dude.
Hey, I had to pull the chute though.
All right, let me see that first chip. Who do we got? First pair left lane is going to be Mr. Kenny Johnson. Okay, go ahead and draw another chip. And he is going to be racing Mr. Ethan. Chip it. Yep. Can you reach in there? There we go. There we go. She's reaching. All right. What's the name on that? We got Mr. Cody Folsom. Left lane. Second pair. Go ahead. And he is going to be racing Dustin Sterling. Okay. Got 3 more chips. Come on. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Just one at a time. One at a time. One at a time. All right. Then we've got third pair left lane is Mr. Colt Carter. And he's going to be racing Russell something.
You're
And then we got one more chip in there. Reach in there and grab it.
got the bat.
All right. And Mr. Randy Seals has the buy run. You just
Was it close?
No, I pulled on a truck and I was ready to hit scramble and nitrous, but then I think the shifter got stuck in second, so I was just first and second and just boost.
Oh, okay.
So I still had like 6 on the scramble and nitrous, but I pulled on like a truck and he stayed there. So.
Okay. So now we're on to the third round of Small tire.
Yeah, third round, small tire. First round, run with your brunt. I don't know, I'm feeling a little confident. But
Looking good.
I don't know if I should turn it. I should turn it down a little bit. You think? It's because it's smoke. I know smoking the tire is slowing it down.
Yeah.
It's like right after the 6.
Yeah. It's like literally as soon as the ramp kicks
As soon
in.
as the ramp comes in, it just crazy. I turned it down, like I smoothed the ramp a little bit, but I guess it's crazy. It went just as fast, and then that's without third gear, just first and second. So it helped a little bit.
¿Cómo?
Take that booty meat.
Tracked him down, said he's on his way.
Okay, he's in small tire too. What's next?
So as soon as this pass goes,
Yeah.
we do chip draw. As soon as I'm done with chip draw, I give you 20 minutes. Okay?
So he's gonna have 20 minutes.
From the time I do chip draw, and then we'll start small tire
That's
street.
the truck.
What's happening, brother man?
Huh?
Hold on.
The other guy didn't show up, so pretty much it's like a bye for us. So on to the final. On the semifinal?
Oh, this may be finals and semifinals of Run With Your Bro.
Run with your bro.
So we are now waiting for the chip draw, third round of small tire.
for small tire.
And that's, I think,
I think it's semifinal. And yeah, so we're gonna go back to the trailer, cool down, and get ready for small tire. I believe there's what, like 5 cars left?
Might be a little less than that.
5 cars. I think it's 5 cars on small tire. So yeah, we're getting close. So stay tuned. That's it. That's all I gotta say.
Them dice are rigged.
If that's the case, we will win every time.
You do.
We know. Turn around. We know we beat y'all. We go back and forth.
finals in the big tire and small tire. Saving. Why, bro? We about to get this other one too. And we would have gotten street if I didn't get home. But
It is what it is.
it is what it is. Dude, we just took off and I just pulled. Nothing, just gap.
Yeah.
Gap. Yeah, he was. I was just looking though. I was ready to hit the scramble. Mr. Dakota over here, Dakota himself. Yeah, I was waiting.
First round, you heard me?
That's right.
We're in the finals.
Now you're in the
two finals.
Two finals.
This is the thumbnail. The thumbnail. The thumbnail.
There you go.
We in there like swimwear, baby. And Russell didn't even want to come, man.
Hey, do a little jump. Oh, you did. Oh, there you go.
Since we raced. We're racing on this stuff right here. Next, we're gonna try sand.
Put some paddles on.
Wet grass.
Just hot lapping real quick.
Kick me out of street, bro, or else I would have still be in street. Look, say right there.
We'd have all.
We got 3 classes.
Yeah.
1.
Well,
No?
I'll own up to that. Like I said, I was not clear enough. So
It happened.
But no,
I assure you that won't happen next time.
he's just gonna run the.
Man, you gotta give me some time to get on 2-step. What happened? Huh?
Me?
Yeah,
Shit.
what happened?
Well, we came out here and
I wasn't even on the
dusted these niggas.
Cash. Then you're getting $300 worth of Summit Racing gift certificates, and then you're also getting 10 quarts of Hot Shots racing oil. Run What You Brung had 1,000 guaranteed. There was 6 in that class, so 1,200. So that's 2,200 plus $400 Summit Racing gift
Damn.
certificates, and then 10 quarts of Hot Shots racing oil.
God, damn.
So.
God damn it, make racing great again.
I mean, it's not a lot, but I mean, it's. I wish it was double that. You know what I'm saying? But I mean, I'm personally throwing these.
diesels were just for pulling force to the racetrack.
Not even diesels. We just gotta come to Dallas and catch these ducks.
I didn't pick up any sponsors for this race, so this is.
So this is the finals.
So we made it to the finals on small tire. We split with Randy, and this is a small tire. This is a finals on Run What You Brung.
This is the last race of the night.
Yes, last race of the night, I believe. At least for us. I don't know who we're racing, but I just know the truck works. So they beat us, and I mean,
Fair race.
it's a fair race, and I have no excuses. The truck is running good. We did have a little shifter issue, which we still won with it. We made a pass in second gear on one of them. And other than that, nitrous and scramble.
Okay, that's good.
We haven't needed it. Is it left lane or right lane? I don't remember.
I'm not sure.
Just park right here.
The next clip will hopefully be us loading it on the trailer in a good mood.
And some money.
Money.
Take some pictures. They test bumping the Take Care album. No. Drake?
OBO. Alright, so you're racing a Canadian diesel.
That little short bed, I don't know, 12-hour colors.
That's their pimp juice.
Maple syrup. I don't know. I mean,
should be a good race.
I've raced 2 diesels and it's been exactly the same outcome. So unless this one's just way faster.
Hopefully we can keep that.
Hopefully it stays the same. But I haven't used scramble or nitrous.
We still got a long way. We still got to stretch his legs.
Another little couple pounds. But I can't hit it in first gear. And now it's actually cooled off, like cool. The other pads was like kind of hot still.
Hey, what you think?
What do I think? Oh, it's in the bag, man. It's in the
Cat's
bag.
out the bag.
Yeah, it's in the bag.
That's the Midnight Brothers, man.
I told him, I said, they're going to run street car flights. He's like, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That thing's idle all day long. I was so confident. He asked me if I wanted to ride with him. No way. Yeah. No, he didn't. Yeah. No, he didn't. He said, do you want to see your friend get beat? I said, damn.
Bitch, you lying.
Usually at Evendale, I record the burnout and then I run full speed all the way up here.
Fucked up, brother. Turn around and record the burnout then if you want it that bad.
No, fuck the burnout.
I think it's going to be a photo finish.
Hey, put me on YouTube, Midnight.
That's the YouTube right there. Hey, y'all go buy y'all's Midnight Velocity kits.
Where's that? Hey, where we gonna buy that at?
www.velocityparts.com.
Let me get one for free.
Alright, message Velocity. Alright, Velasco, give it to me for free.
It's a 5-gear planetary.
Alright guys, so there we go. We got the final. We won the final on the Run With Your Bro class. So I mean that's why we built these trucks for, not for no track or none of that prep stuff. So there it goes. So worked flawlessly, everything, driving it back. Shoot. The truck looked like it was next to me for a little while. I was ready to hit that scramble. Been good. We gotta go get some IHOP or something. Yeah. 1, 2, 3.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Don't throw it, shit. Don't throw it, Randy. Ah, damn it, Randy, not again.
Why'd you give it to him? Go get the money. Go get the money.
That's it, right?
There's supposed to be $32,000 in here. Whatever's missing. That's on your ass, Randy.
Alright guys, so that ends the night. That was a successful night. We won. We got to the final with Randy on Gringo. So we split it on small tire and then Run With Your Bro. We took it to the finals. We won the final race. And other than that, that's all I can say. Truck worked, transmission worked. Shout out to the guys who put in the work all this week on
Planetarios, viejo.
Los Planetarios, Grupo Planetario. But yeah, truck is working, motor's good, transmission is good, and it goes down. So like we had no data on no prep stuff. This is the first time even trying to do it here on Upper. So I mean we got it. It was still smoking at the time to the 60, but I didn't want to turn it down. Just it was too low of a boost, I believe. It was running good. I mean, we drove around a couple of diesel trucks. Actually, there was all the same outcome. This last one was better though. I think I put like 4 trucks.
His transmission fucked up or something.
Really?
Halfway the past.
Yeah, we're restocking on Grimace shirts. Clean it up. So get some on order.
Get your motherfucking Grimace shirt.
Maybe some of you guys have ordered, didn't get it. Y'all gonna get it. We're busy. Yeah, I get busy at the shop and other shit, and I forget to sometimes stock up on the. I apologize. We're working on getting better on everything.
If you ordered it, you're getting it soon. And if you don't, and if you want one, get one before it's too late, because they go fast.
All right. And lastly, we have the turbo kits now available for the 18 to 24 F-150s. So if you hadn't, hit us up. If you are interested in the kit, basically the same hot side we run on Grandma's, same hot side as Randy's. There's obviously 2 different complete setups, but the same hot side. So yeah, if you want a kit, give us a call at the store, 832-322-4747 to get your order placed. We are working on the website for daylight performance. That's something we're working with between us and midnight. And other than that, that's pretty much it.
Sound like when I eat Taco Bell, man.
I'll tell you what, man. If you want to gap those goddamn diesel rolling coal motherfuckers, man. If you want to gap that motherfucking Ram 2500, the goddamn neighbors, you get yourself one of the goddamn turbo kits in this damn truck and you fuck them in the ass. Off the trailer, in your ass.